In this video, I will show you how to create better monster girls with AI. So let's jump straight into it. Now, as you can see, this is what we're going to be using. It's called Anything version 3.0. So the website for this is huggingface.co. Then you want to put linaqruf/anything-version 3.0. So once you come across this website, what you're going to do is make sure you're on the text to image. So if you're not, if you look at the top, you've got text to image here. So you want to click onto that first, and this is where you're going to come to generate your image. So if we just go ahead and put something like Snake Girl, and after this prompt you want to put this following code, which is steps 50 sampler DDIM CFG scale 12, and this is going to scale it to the right resolution, and then click the compute button. So it's just going to take a minute or two to run through and generate something. So you can see this is quite good. So we've got our Snake Girl is what we've asked for, but again it's quite random, so we want to be a bit more specific, and it's actually going to create a better image with more details, and it's going to be more specific to what we want. So you want to put a bit more of a description. So you want to put, for example, Snake Girl with snake body, green eyes, teeth are fangs, and evil expression, holding bottle of poison. So after you've put your prompt in, make sure you do put this little bit of code in afterwards. So just this bit here, as this is going to scale it to a high resolution image. So once you've done that, again, we're going to go ahead and click compute. I'm just going to give it a minute for the AI to work its magic. So you can see already there's a big difference here. Now, I'm still not happy with this because I want it more zoomed in. So what I'm going to do is just change this again. So I'm going to put upper body picture. You just want to be as specific as possible for what you want to generate. Okay, let's click compute and see what happens. Okay, so this is a lot better. This is more what I'm looking for. As you can see, it's done exactly what we've asked for. So we've got the green eyes, we've got that kind of evil looking expression, and the fangs. So what I'm now going to put into this box after the prompt before the code, I'm just going to put high resolution and then click compute. And again, you can see the details on the images. They're getting a lot more sharper, a lot more clearer now, and it's giving us what we are asking for. So you can see we've got the bottle of poison that the girl is holding. We've got our Snake Girl here. Got the green eyes and the teeth, and quite a sort of sincere expression on the face. So this is basically the way to generate better monster girls with AI, and this is the best one to use at the moment, Anything version 3.0. And the best piece of advice I can give to generate better monsters is to just be as specific and descriptive as possible. You'll see if I go back, and what I'm going to do is just get rid of all of this and go back, and I'm just going to go ahead and put Snake Girl. Make sure you put this code at the end of every prompt. Click compute. And this is basically what we started off on. So you can see the difference that just by adding more descriptive prompts, and also at the end of the prompt adding high resolution, that we do generate a much better image. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you were to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.